Hello everyone and welcome back to another math video. Today we're going to be looking at how do you find a missing number in a set of data when you're given the mean, median, mode, or range. So similar to these problems that you see up on the screen. Just a reminder, this is the speedrun version where we go through the lesson pretty quickly. If you'd like the normal version of the lesson, I will link that in the description below. All right, your Ricasso Recap starts now in 30 seconds or less. Here's what you need to know before you start this lesson. Firstly, you should know how to calculate the mean or the average. Secondly, you should know how to calculate the median. Thirdly, you should know how to calculate the mode. And lastly, you should know how to calculate the range. If you want refreshers on any of these four topics, I will link a video in the description below. Please go watch that before you start this lesson. All right, new lesson starts now. Here we go. So it says Rodrigo has the following data. Gives us the data here. It says if the mean is 15, which number could B be? So the B that they're talking about is in the set of numbers. Okay, it's here. And so the question is asking, it's kind of backwards. They give you the answer, so to speak. They say, okay, the average or the mean is 15, and how did I get that answer of 15? Which number did I use in the set of data? And so in my opinion, the easiest way to do this is to just replace the B in the set with each number and then just calculate the average, right? Or the mean. You should know how to calculate the mean or the average, so I'm going to show that quickly here. All right, and here is the average calculated for each of the sets, okay? And clearly, we said the answer should be 15, and here's my answer 15, so 17 was the correct value. All right, for this one, same type of idea, except this time they say the median is 15, so now you need to calculate the median for each set. All right, and here is the median calculated for each one, and we were supposed to get 15, so 13 is the correct answer. All right, for this one, same idea, but this time it's the mode. All right, and here is the mode calculated for both sets. We wanted to get 8, so 8 is the correct answer. Mode is usually like that, where the answer matches exactly with what you see here, but always double check. All right, this one is now asking for the range. And so here is the range calculated with both values, and we wanted to get 12, so 13. We wanted to get 12, which is here, so 13 was the correct number. All right, here's our cool clock for today, which means that it is time for you to practice what you just learned. Go ahead and pause the video and try these 4 problems on your own, and when you're ready, you can unpause the video and we'll check your answers. Okay, now that you've had time to work these problems, let's check your solutions. Okay, for the first problem in the top left corner, I tried the 16 and got the right answer, so I don't see any reason to try plugging in the 24 if I already have the right answer. For the top right corner, again, I tried the 11 first, got the right answer, so that is the answer. For the bottom left, okay, the correct answer is 44. And for the last problem, the correct answer was 2. All right, that is it for today. I hope you all have a good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and good night.